In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest and laziest way to get 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours. Yes, now you may be wondering, is this guy actually serious? Yes, I am serious. I know what I'm talking about. Okay, now if you want to get 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours, you can do it by yourself. If you want to get it in 7 days, you can do it by yourself. If you want to get it in 1 month, you can do it by yourself. And I'm going to take you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to do it on YouTube, right? Now, if you're new on this channel, my name is Prince. Do want to like this video, subscribe to this channel. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so maybe you don't know. Have you heard of what we call YouTube promotions before, or Google promotions, right? So if you're one of those people who is, struggling to get subscribers on YouTube upon all the efforts you're putting in the channel, the other people too, they've been able to get their 4,000 watch hours, yet because of the kind of content they create, because of their niche, they are not getting subscribers. There are certain niches viewers actually watch longer, right? But the subscribers don't come, right? So if you are one of those niches, have a lot of watch hours, but you're not getting the subscribers, then Google promotions or YouTube promotion is going to help you to get lots of subscribers, right? And all you need is to, just go to your YouTube studio and do it, right? Maybe you don't know, so I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Okay, now before I show you how to do it, there are pros and cons. Okay, so I would like you to watch the whole video to the end so that you will know the cons. Okay, what I mean by cons is the disadvantages of using this particular method. Okay, so that you don't come back to my comment section and complain, right? Okay, so that was too much time. Let's get onto my YouTube studio. Let me take you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to do it. First of all, come to your YouTube studio, right? Yes, so I'm going to use my second channel for this particular purpose. This is a channel behind the scene of Prince Asiamah, right? So as you can see, I'm having only 105 subscribers on this particular channel. So I'm going to get some few more subscribers on this particular channel, right? So to get started, you come to content, right? Come here, click on content. Once you come to content, look here, you're gonna see promotions here. Now, there are lots of you watching, right? So you never know there's actually something called promotions on the YouTube studio. Yes, you have never clicked on it before, but I'm showing you, right? So just click on promotions, right? Once you click on promotions, you're going to see this beautiful interface here, and it says promote your channel and business on YouTube, right? Yes. So when you are doing the promotion or you are running the ad, this is how it's going to look like, right? I'm pretty sure you have seen something like this on YouTube when you are watching videos, right? So this is how it's going to be, right? So I'm going to click on get started. Great. Once I've clicked on get started, it says that which account do you want to use, right? Now you need to create a Google ad account, right? You see, the YouTube promotion is being done by Google Ads, right? So you need to create an account. Okay, so to create an account, just click here, create an account, and then you go to next, right? Once you click on next, it is going to ask you that what is your main goal? Is your main goal to grow an audience? In growing an audience, you get more subscriptions, views, and additional videos on your channel, right? So for me, I want subscribers, right? So I'm going to choose audience growth, right? If you want views, you choose video views, right? And if it is website too, you choose website visits, you get. So I'm going to choose audience growth, you get me. Now there's something you need to understand here. You need to use a video that is good, else you still do the promotion and you not get the subscribers. So that is one tip I've shown you right here. Okay, I'll show you other things you need not to do. Okay, so once you click on audience growth, then come to next, right? Great, you click on next and you're gonna see this beautiful interface also here. Okay, so what will your promotion look like? Okay, so here you have to select a video from your channel that you want to use it for the promotion, right? So I'm gonna click on ad. Great, and then you can see all the videos on my channels are displayed here, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select my preferred video, right? So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm gonna use this particular video here, right? Yes, for my promotion. Okay, so a video on how much YouTube paid me for 5,000 views. Yes, I'm gonna use this one for my promotion. Okay, once I'm done, the next thing I'm gonna do is to come to next. But before you come to next, look at something. Look at how it will look like. This is how much YouTube paid me for 5,000 views. So people will just click on the subscribe button here, right? I'll click on next. Wait, once I click on this, the next thing is who will see your promotions. This one is just asking you which people are your target audience. Do you want to target Ghana, Nigeria, United States, United Kingdom, which country? So depending on your niche, right, we're gonna select the countries you want, right? And in order to target a certain country, just type it, right? So let's say Nigeria, right? So you see it here, and then United Kingdom, and then you enter it here. You understand? So that is a very, very simple. Okay, so depending on the audience you want, if this audience here are audience that have high CPM, they are developed countries, so the amount you pay will be very high. You get me? Yes. So, but if you target audience like Nigeria, the amount you pay will be very, very low. Okay, but let me target these two countries. Let me see something, right? Okay, so I'm gonna take Nigeria out, and I'm gonna target United Kingdom and United States, right? Okay, so when targeting multiple countries, the promotion is served in some countries, right? So what I'm gonna do is to come to advanced targeting, right? Yes, so advanced targeting you have the opportunity to target either males, females. You understand? You also have the opportunity to target a certain age group. You get me? Yes. So if you want to target certain languages too, you can also add those languages here. Okay, but I think it is cool, so you can go ahead. So the next I'm gonna do is just click on next, right? Great. Once I click on next, what I'm left now is my budget. Okay, so now YouTube promotion is not free, right? So the more your money, the more your subscribers. That is why I was saying that you can even get 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours, depending on the amount of money you have, right? The more money you push in, the more subscribers you get. So your money will determine the number of subscribers you get a day, in a week, or in a month. So how much do you want to spend? So I'll spend in US dollars, right? And then the total budget, I want to spend $10, right? So this is what I'm gonna do, right? So this is the total budget I want to spend, right? And when if the promotion ended 1st July, right? So I think 1st July is too far, so let me do it on Tuesday, next week Tuesday, right? So I'm doing the promotion for 7 days, right? So you can do it for even 1 day, right? And if you want to get more subscribers, you push in more money. You get me? Yes. So I'll get 3,000 impressions to 13K impressions. You understand? You see these impressions here, right? So it is these impressions that is gonna give you the subscriber, right? So impressions is the number of times YouTube shows your ad to people on YouTube. Okay, so the more YouTube shows your ads to people on YouTube, the more subscribers you get. So imagine YouTube showing your ad, let's say 100,000 people, 1,500,000, 200,000 people. You are definitely going to get more subscribers. Simple. Okay, from this one here, I'm going to get subscribers, but it's not going to be very massive, right? However, the more you spend, the more the subscribers you get. That is very, very simple, right? Okay, now let's go back to the next. So here you select your country of payments, right? And then you're gonna create a payment profile, right? So I'll click on create new payment profile, right? So we just your profile type, whether you're an organization or you're an individual. Okay, so I'm an individual. And then name, individual. So this is my legal name, and then you enter your address, right? So I'll enter my address here. You understand? And then I am good to go, right? So I'll click on create. Okay, great. So once you've entered the address, the next thing we want to do is to click on add payment method, right? So here we're going to add your payment method. So to add your payment method, you will just click here, but there's something here. It says that you see a temporary $10 authorization required, which typically removed within a week. Okay, so but $10 will be removed from my account within a week, right? So now click on add payment method. Then I'm going to add my debit card, right? This is my debit card, right? Yes, I'm actually spending, right? Yes, so I'm going to enter my debit card here. Right, so as you can see here, I've entered my payment details here, right? So we are almost at the last stages, and that is to click on promote. You get me? So I'll click on promote. Let's wait for a while. Whoa, so as you can see, the advert is about to start, right? So you can see that there is pending here. So pending means that they are about to review it and approve. They will definitely have it, right? So you can monitor this particular channel. You see I'm having 105 subscribers. You realize that my subscriber count will be increasing gradually. And if you see that it's increasing gradually, it's simply because of YouTube promotions that I am doing on this particular channel. And you see the amount spent right now, it's $0, right? So as the subscribers are counting, see that the cost here will be going higher. You get me? So the same method I used to grow my brother's channel. Yes, he was not having subscribers at all, but I used YouTube promotion to help him to get 700 subscribers. You understand? Yeah. And now, for those of you who have been able to watch this video to the very end, I'm going to show you the pros and cons, right? So to find the pros and cons, what you're going to do is to come to this idea and right here it's done. When it comes and scroll down, you're going to see something here. You're going to see eligibility. So with the subscribers you get, right, it is going to help you to get your 1,000 subscriber count threshold so that you can monetize your channel, right? Yeah, so any subscriber you count, it actually counts towards your 1,000 subscribers, right? Now, most people believe that it will not count, but it actually counts. What it does not count is the watch hours. There's watch hours. Any watch hours you get from this particular ad does not count towards monetization. So you need to understand, okay? So if you are looking for subscribers, this is the best method for you, right? But if you are looking for watch hours, this is not the best method for you. I hope it is clear. And if you want to join my YouTube coaching, so if you want me to help you to grow your YouTube channel, feel free to check the description of this video for my email, and I'm going to help you to grow your YouTube channel so that you can also make money online. Thanks for watching. My name is Prince. If you want to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and then see you another time.